In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create flowcharts using Canva. If you've ever wanted to illustrate processes, map out ideas, or create a visual outline, flowcharts are a great way to do it. Canva makes this even simpler with its intuitive design tools. So let's get you started on making an impactful flowchart using Canva. First, we need to navigate to your Canva project. Whether you're starting from scratch or working within an existing design, Canva's user-friendly interface makes it easy to jump in and get creative. Open Canva on your browser and head directly to your project dashboard. If you haven't created a project yet, you can start a new one by choosing the format that fits your needs from a variety of templates, whether it's a presentation, a document, or a poster. Once you're in your project, direct your attention to the left-hand toolbar. Here, you'll notice several options for adding elements to your design. Click on Elements. This brings up a wide array of graphics, shapes, and more that you can incorporate into your project. Specifically for flowcharts, you want to type Flowcharts into the search bar at the top of this menu. Hit Enter, and you'll be presented with a variety of styles and templates for flowcharts that Canva offers. Now comes the fun part. Look through the options and select the style that best captures your vision. Canva's variety ranges from simple, linear charts to more complex, branched designs. Choose one that fits your theme and purpose. For example, if you're working on a presentation that requires a minimalistic and professional look, a clean and straightforward flowchart might suit you best. Alternatively, if your project is more creative or relaxed, you might opt for one with vibrant colors and dynamic shapes. After selecting your desired flowchart, you can start customizing it to fit your needs. Canva allows you to modify colors, fonts, and shapes with ease. Simply click on any element to make changes. This customization enables you to ensure that your flowchart aligns with any existing branding or thematic elements in your project. Feel free to resize, move, or rotate the elements until everything looks just right. Once your flowchart is complete, review your design to ensure clarity and accuracy in representing your concept or process. It's always good to double-check the flow of information to ensure it is logical and easy to follow. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully integrated a professional-looking flowchart into your Canva project. Whether you're using it for business, education, or personal projects, your flowchart is now ready to be shared and admired. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Happy designing!